So what was the reason कि आप जापान छोड़ के इंडिया आ गए?
I met two backpackers. Then they say, ha ha ha, Koki go to India.
तू इंडिया में आने क्यों बोल? क्यों बोल?
Because I can say,
Second round is sushi versus idli.
ha ha ha, interesting.
मैं तो कभी ना खाया।
कैसा है?
If I will be honest, this is not sushi. In Japan, we don't call this sushi, man.
हेलो वेलकम बैक टू जस्ट किडिंग विद सिड। आज हमारे साथ है एक जापानीज लौंडा
Namaste.
कोकी एंड विद हिम वी हैव आवर साउथ इंडियन बॉय ताशविन।
नमस्कार, माझं नाव कोकी आहे. मी जपानी आहे.
अच्छा, कोकी को देख के कौन से एनिमल की याद आती है तुम्हें?
तुड़
घोड़े के जैसा दिखता है। अच्छा,
Horse.
मे बी लाइक यूनिकॉर्न।
What he was saying? You can tell me horse, bro. Fine, horse is fine. I will run fast.
तो आर यू रेडी फॉर डोसा एंड सुशी कोलैबोरेशन? चलिए देखते हैं ये दोनों एक दूसरे के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं। हेलो कोकी, हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
Very good. Barawa, kasagai.
This is your first ever podcast.
Yeah, bro.
I'm guessing how is it feeling?
Like
Japan
I
लोग
was
कैसे
always
दिखते
watching your contents. क्या? Oh, अरे, सच में?
He has started
क्या हो गया?
becoming racist.
मैं मालूम पड़ता है मुझे। मेरे को तभी को मालूम था जापान लोग ऐसा करते रहते हैं।
ऐसा नहीं करते वो, ऐसे दिखते हैं वो।
ऐसे ऐसे करके रखते
हाँ,
रहते
वो
हैं।
जानबूझ के करते हैं। बट हाँ, कोकी आप कहाँ से हो? बिकॉज
हाँ, very good.
बाय द वे कोकी इज समवन हु अंडरस्टैंड्स हिंदी एंड मोर व्हाट अदर लैंग्वेजेस डू यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Understand percentage very little, but
Huh.
I can like a little speak Kannada or Marathi very little.
मराठी लिटिल?
Yeah, just like a greeting.
अच्छा, व्हाट डू यू नो इन मराठी?
Kasa ka, itun kasa, jabras ka, jabris ka, tunchan testes.
Who taught you जेवलास का जेवलीस का?
You only, bro.
Yeah. More else. What else?
माझं नाव कोकी आहे. मी जपानी आहे.
अरे, can you do that by looking at the camera?
Okay. नमस्कार, माझं नाव कोकी आहे. मी जपानी आहे.
क्या बात है। अश्विन, tell us about yourself. तुम्हारे बारे में कुछ बताओ। How old are you? Where are you from?
6 years.
And where do you stay?
साकरवाड़ी ईस्ट।
अच्छा, are you a South Indian? अच्छा, which part of South India? कहाँ पे? South India में कहाँ?
साकरवाड़ी।
साकरवाड़ी कहाँ पे है? एकदम नीचे है कि थोड़ा ऊपर?
3 फ्लोर है।
Three-
3rd फ्लोर वाला।
Third floor. He lives in 3rd floor of South India.
Okay.
It makes no sense. अच्छा, कोकी, have you ever hung around kids? ऐसे kids के साथ आप कभी रहते हो?
Yes, I hung around kids in Mandia. It was my birthday, so 3 months ago.
3 months ago.
Yeah.
कहाँ पे?
In Mandia. Mandia is nearby Bangalore in Karnataka. It's
Karnataka.
Village.
So you have stayed in Bangalore a lot of times.
Lot of time, like a total more than half months. No, half years. Like
Half year.
More than 6 years, 6 months I stayed.
So you have stayed in Mumbai,
Yeah.
Bangalore, Delhi?
No.
नहीं. Why that reaction about Delhi? दिल्ली के बारे में क्या पसंद नहीं है आपको?
Very, I don't know, man. Like, obviously, when I came to India, first time I arrived at Delhi only, right? Indira Gandhi Airport. And after, like, I stayed around 2 weeks because I got food poison and I got like a fever.
Okay.
Then, almost like, then I went to Varanasi from Delhi.
Oh,
I
wow.
really love Varanasi. But Delhi, I don't have much good memory. But I don't have much bad experience also.
अच्छा.
I should try, of course.
तो आप बनारस में थे, वाराणसी में? वाराणसी में हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस, क्या क्या किया?
It's like I can't explain by word maybe, but Varanasi experience is like this was India. I feel like that. And
Because-
of course I'm from Japan, so we are Buddhism also.
Right.
Buddhism
Makes
came
sense.
from Hinduism.
Right.
Right? So
बट इन अ वे लाइक वाराणसी में आई थिंक यू लाइक क्योंकि वहाँ पे लोग भी काफी बोलने में अच्छे हैं,
समझ में नहीं आया.
समझ में नहीं आता.
इंग्लिश बोलो.
तो वाराणसी पीपल मे बी द वे दे टॉक टू यू, द वे दे ग्रीट यू इज ऑल्सो वेरी welcoming. Is that why you love Varanasi, or is it because of the culture and the presence of God everywhere?
Don't know.
दोनों.
And I really surprised when I met one guy from Varanasi on the road. He even didn't go to any school, but he speaks fluently Japanese.
Okay.
Through by Japanese tourist. Many Japanese tourists is visiting Varanasi, right? So if he can speak Japanese, he can provide little tour. Maybe he can, get little money. Through by speaking. Like it was very surprised and very respectful.
Beautiful.
I think so.
Because you get to meet so many people from different destinations and countries. Because वहाँ पे सब लोग like everyone wants to see what the fuss is about. Why is everyone crazy about Krishna, Radha? And that did you go to all the ghats?
Yeah, of course. And I did this.
You डुबकी,
Yeah.
गंगा में डुबकी you
And
did?
I swim also.
Oh my God, वो कैसा लगा? How did it feel?
I was feeling like if I do this, I will get sick.
Okay.
Because foreigner, YouTuber, everyone is saying this.
Okay.
But I asked this. About this to local people. I will get sick or what? He say, if you think like that, have doubt, this is dirty and doing, obviously you will get. But if you believe, you will not get. How was me? I didn't get because I believe.
Beautiful.
Beautiful only, bro.
You believed that it's going to be a very positive experience for you.
Yeah.
Amazing. And that's the power of Varanasi, by the way. Like the people from Varanasi, they make you believe that you will end up having a good experience in life. Ashwin, तुम बताओ, तुम कहाँ कहाँ घूमने गए हो?
होटल
कौन सा होटल, कहाँ कहाँ था? मतलब ये होटल कहाँ कहाँ था? इंडिया में ही था?
हाँ सब इंडिया में ही है।
सब इंडिया में ही था? अच्छा, तुम साउथ
और मैं पिलीकुलर गया
कहाँ?
एनिमल्स देखने।
एनिमल्स देखने गए थे? अच्छा।
गाँव में बहुत।
गाँव में? अच्छा, कोकी को देख के कौन से एनिमल की याद आती है तुम्हें? कोकी को देख के कौन से एनिमल की याद आती है? ये कौन से एनिमल
देखना कौन सा एनिमल है?
कैसे देखते हैं?
कौन से एनिमल की जैसा दिखता है ये?
मैं फोटो को देख के करूँगा। मेरे याद को फोटो को देखते हैं।
अच्छा, इमेजिन कर रहा है रैबिट, देन माउस, कैट, कैट कैट क्यों? बिल्ली क्यों?
अरे सेम नहीं कर रहे हो?
Because of that picture? Okay.
Because of this picture. अच्छा,
कैट जैसा नहीं दिखता है।
कैट जैसा नहीं दिखता है? फिर कैसा दिखता है?
तुड़ुक 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 तुड़ुक।
तुगड़ुक तुगड़ुक घोड़े के जैसा दिखता है। अच्छा,
Horse.
maybe like a unicorn.
Oh, unique. What he was saying? Horse.
Horse and unicorn. Like,
Okay. You can tell me horse, bro. Fine. Horse is fine. I will run fast.
अच्छा, so you think he looks like a horse? What do you think? What do you? You said no.
No.
Tuguduk tuguduk tuguduk. Then what?
He was like a tiger, bro.
लायन।
Lion.
Yeah.
Okay, because he's wearing that yellow shade.
ये तो है।
Because of
Oh,
hair.
yeah. He has also hair.
I also have that hair.
मेरे पापा के पास बहुत है।
बहुत है,
ओहो।
तुम्हें क्या?
इतना आ जाएगा।
तू क्या शो ऑफ कर रहा है क्या भाई? हमारे
शॉप
पास
नहीं कर रहे।
फिर
मुन्नी लायन। लायन के पास बाल है।
हाँ
मेरे पापा के पास बाल है।
हाँ
Where?
Have you eaten like Japanese kana? Ever?
मैं खाना नहीं खाया था
नहीं
नहीं
अच्छा
खाते
तो जापानीज खाने में क्या क्या होता है?
Japanese kana is healthy obviously
हाँ
and we use like soybeans as dal beans in India. You guys use dal bean how to say dal beans
got it
for many product and many way.
हाँ
So in Japan we
And
use soybeans.
soybeans are very nutritious and soybeans भी काफी यहाँ पे कल्चर आ रहा है and a lot of people are also drinking soy milk if you don't know
Soybeans.
है ना? तो तुम अगर आपको तश्विन को कुछ खिलाना हो जापान में तो आप क्या खिलाओगे?
Like what I want to.
What would you feed him if you take him to Japan?
I don't know why it's coming in my mind, but I thought miso soup.
मिसो सूप
Miso soup.
पियोगे?
हैं?
मिसो सूप
हैं? इसको क्या बोलते
Miso is like made by soy beans and a few other ingredients,
हाँ
and it's like good for your gut. We drink miso soup with food every meal, every breakfast, lunch, dinner also.
so miso soup is a part of every meal
Yeah,
nearly.
yeah.
So what was the reason कि आप जापान छोड़ के इंडिया आ गए?
Oh, okay. So I visited Egypt for the
Okay.
first time, foreign country for my life.
हाँ
And then I met two backpackers. Like we traveled together for 2 weeks in
Okay.
Egypt. So I was feeling like they are like a 40 years old guy and a 65 years old guy.
right.
So they are very experienced as traveler, right? So I asked them which country should I go, like what country you would recommend me after Egypt, because I really love Egypt.
Okay.
Then they say, ha ha ha, Koki, go to India.
अच्छा
India is they explained me, India is the last country for backpacker
okay
because you will get that much experience, different experience.
and who are these people who told you? Egyptian people?
No, he is from Belgium and one guy is from Belgium and one uncle is from Peru.
अच्छा got it
So we traveled together. That time I couldn't speak English though.
बुलेट ट्रेन
वो पहली बार इजिप्ट में गया था फिर इजिप्ट में किसी ने उसको बोला कि इंडिया आपको आना ही पड़ेगा तो इसके लिए वो जापान छोड़ के इंडिया आ गया.
वो इंडिया में आना क्यों बोला उसको
क्यों आया आप इंडिया में?
क्यों बोला
Because I can say, yeah, they recommended me. This is one of the reason. And after they recommended to me, like, of course, I will see some Indian videos, and I will have more interested in India. So after watch videos and like,
And did you
I
know-
don't know, man. India called me. Come on, man.
इंडिया came to you. इंडिया called you कि ओके आजा भाई ये तेरे लिए बना है.
You guys are every time open.
Yeah.
हमेशा स्वागत है.
Exactly. पधारो मारो देश. तश्विन अगर तुम्हें कोकी को कुछ साउथ इंडियन खिलाना हो तो क्या खिलाओगे?
कार्स
कार्स?
कार खिलौना
खिलौना?
गाड़ी
खिलाओगे?
खिलौना
खिलवाओगे?
सॉरी खाने में ब्रोकली
ब्रोकली इज नॉट साउथ इंडियन ना.
ताकत बनाते हम लोग को
ताकत बनाता है ब्रोकली. अच्छा. डोसा नहीं खिलाओगे?
डोसा रागी डोसा
रागी डोसा.
Ragi, bro, ragi. Very.
You know ragi?
Yeah,
You got
it's
so excited after
very
listening to
healthy.
ragi. I don't know why.
No, it's one of my pasando ingredients in South India.
Oh.
हम
Ragi
लोग
is
भी
the-
खाते रागी
Ragi,
डोसा
ragi board खाते हैं?
हाँ?
Ragi board. Board. Ragi.
सर्कल वाला रहता
हाँ, सर्कल वाला.
वो नहीं खाते
नहीं खाते? अच्छा.
क्यों नहीं खाता?
ये खाया नहीं जिंदगी में कभी नहीं खाते मेरा अम्मा तो बनाने दो
अच्छा. अच्छा तुम बताओ कोकी जी को साउथ इंडिया के बारे में कुछ बताओ कि कहाँ क्या क्या आता है तुम्हारे इसमें. तुम फेस्टिवल कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हो बताओ.
हैप्पी बर्थडे
Which festivals do you celebrate?
दिवाली मेरे को दिवाली बहुत अच्छा लगता
दिवाली बहुत अच्छी लगती है.
है इसमें बॉम्ब फेंकना पड़ता है ऐसा मारना पड़ता है ऐसा
क्या मारना पड़ता है?
अरे शूट और ऐसा मटकी ऐसा ऐसे बॉम्ब रहता है ना, छोटे छोटे इसको फेंकते टट करके वहां हो जाता है। वो मेरे बच्चों को भी बहुत पसंद है।
आपको पसंद है? It's very scary thing. like for foreigner, I'm just walking on the road and मेरे पीछे से I'm feeling like what they are doing.
वो पूरा सौंप है ना, सौंप लेते हैं उसके फ्रर करके फेंक।
अच्छा अच्छा
ऐसा एक साथ पूरा फेंकते हैं। तो
आपको कौन सा सेलिब्रेट करना अच्छा लगता है? लाइक व्हिच फेस्टिवल डू यू लाइक फ्रॉम इंडिया?
मैं ऐसे
मोरिया।
मेरे को
गणपति बप्पा
मोरिया, हनुमान जोशी।
हनुमान जोशी what what okay your favorite festival is Ganpati Bappa Moria. Have you Ganesh Chaturthi?
Ganesh Chaturthi.
So Ganesh Chaturthi, have you celebrated ever?
Yeah, with you, man.
With me?
Yeah. First time with you, no. Actually, first time with my girlfriend, with my partner. Then second time was with you.
So how was the first experience celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi?
I really didn't have any knowledge about that. So I was just seeing you guys are putting Ganesh statue to river or ocean to.
Yeah.
So it was like
Which temple did you go to? Do you remember? Or was it just a like some random part?
yeah, just random small place.
Got it.
But we walk together and little dance
Yeah.
with speaker.
Yeah. You did that.
Yeah, and of course we do puja in the house
Okay.
before bringing Ganpati. So it was all new experience and I can say just beautiful.
Beautiful, right? I think Ganpati Bappa, the stature of Bappa and the way he is so peaceful when he comes, and when he's arriving, it's all chaotic. When he's there for 11 days, it's peaceful. When he's leaving, it's again chaotic and also emotional. And that is what we always feel when he's coming and when he's leaving. And that is the magic of Bappa. वो आते हैं, सब ठीक करके चले जाते हैं. That is why we all love Ganpati Bappa.
हनुमान को भी
That's
लव
what you
करते
told
हैं।
me.
That's what I told you, right?
हनुमान को भी लव करते हैं।
हनुमान को भी लव करते हैं. हनुमान के बारे में बताओ.
Hanuman Chalisa.
हनुमान चालीसा पता है आपको? भाई ये कौन सा जापानीज है?
Every morning I listen.
You do हनुमान चालीसा every morning.
मेरे भी पापा सेम ही।
तू भी करता है?
अरे मेरा पापा हर रोज एलेक्सा में वही चालू करते थे।
हनुमान चालीसा चलाता है. देखो भाई. Do you know how to chant?
Actually no.
नहीं, but you can like feel the energy of Hanuman Chalisa. What do you feel when you listen to Hanuman Chalisa? क्या लगता है अंदर? कुछ feel होता है? Do you feel something?
But I feel, but it's not super strong. Like it's very naturally. Like every morning should be this song. I feel like that.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's make my day good day.
Right. So none of your mornings start without listening to Hanuman Chalisa.
Not every actually.
Most of the mornings.
Yeah, most of.
That's
yes.
very beautiful. What do you love the most about India?
I used to answer this question people. Like a people love. You guys are most friendly people, and yeah, I love to talking with Indian people, Rikshawari, any place, Chaiwara, restaurant, and like yeah, you guys are really beautiful, lovely, friendly people.
फ्रेंडली पीपल. ये बोल रहे कि इनको इंडिया के बारे में लोग अच्छे लगते हैं सबसे ज्यादा. हम जो लोग हैं ना इंडियन, he loves them the most.
इंडिया.
Yeah. Which do you think is the best country, India or Japan?
जापान.
Thank you. Arigato.
जापान अच्छे लोग हैं. ताकतवर, look smart.
अच्छा. तेरे को कैसे पता? तू तो कभी गया ही नहीं है.
मेरे पापा ने आज बोला गाड़ी में आने टाइम में.
पापा बोल रहे थे गाड़ी में आते हुए
अच्छा.
कि जापान में बहुत स्मार्ट लोग हैं. जापान इज वेरी एडवांस्ड इन टेक्नोलॉजी.
उसके लिए बोला.
उसलिए बोला तूने? अच्छा.
But I feel like it was 30 years ago. It was, but right now China is like 2-3 steps more than
Ahead.
Japan. Yeah,
Yeah.
very ahead.
But is your family in Japan only?
Yeah,
And how often do you meet them?
Once in a year.
Once in a year.
Right now, yeah, it became like that, I think.
Oh. And tell me one thing, when it comes to family values, what is the difference between India and Japan that you have noticed? Like for example, for us it's very important for us to stay with our family, stay together in one house, and we always like to call and stay connected and go to events together. What about that?
That is a very important thing I learned from India. And after I came to India, I became like try to speak with mom or dad more after I came to India. Because if I was just living in Japan, maybe I was becoming like a just normal Japanese, not meeting with parents and when they'll go, we'll have lots of regret, like oh, I wanted to tell this to my mom, but I couldn't. So I don't want to feel like that. And in India, you guys call like 3 to 5 times, I don't know, maybe some person 10 times with the family.
Yeah.
It's for me, it looks like too much, but it's obviously a good thing.
Exactly. I mean, like, there are a lot of pros and cons, but this is how we have been living for years, and we are actually okay with it. But again, we are also westernizing. That is one of the consequences.
Little sad thing, maybe.
But yeah, again, like, we like to be connected with our family. Tashwin, tell us something about your entire day. दिन भर तू क्या करता है?
स्कूल जाते खेलता है.
स्कूल जाते खेलता है. और तेरे को खाने में सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद है?
फ्रूट में अच्छा लगता है.
जोर से बोल.
मैंगो.
मैंगो अच्छा लगता है. अच्छा, अभी मैंगो तो चला गया, तो अभी क्या खा रहा है?
स्ट्रॉबेरीज.
स्ट्रॉबेरीज भी खा. स्ट्रॉबेरीज तो अभी इसमें आएगा ना, विंटर में आएगा.
इसके अभी जामुन चल रहा है. जामुन.
जामुन. He is crazy about fruits, man. He's very crazy about fruits.
जामुन कैसा है? I've never tried.
जामुन ट्राई नहीं किया. जामुन कैसा होता है बताओ उसको.
उसे खाता है ना.
हाँ.
उसके इधर से ना, इधर से ऊपर से.
हाँ.
इधर से ऐसा हनुमान जैसा बन जाता है. इधर से इधर सर्कल इतना ना, इतना से चिप जाता है.
चिपक जाता है.
और हम लोग को ऐसे टंग से उसको ऐसा ऐसा करना, रोल करना पड़ता है.
समझा कुछ?
No, चिपचा meaning?
अभी नहीं. समझाओ क्या बोला?
ऐसे चिपता है ऊपर.
चिपकता है.
Like a stick.
Sticks.
Oh, how's the taste?
So taste कैसा होता है बताओ?
It looks like a grape,
टेस्ट
right?
अच्छा रहता है इसका. इसका पूरा वो पिस्ता, वो उसका पिस्ता कैसे बनता है नहीं मालूम. जामुन का सीड से बनता है.
जामुन जो होता है वो खट्टा होता है. खट्टा एंड मीठा. Yeah.
Like what is similar fruits?
Jamun is purple in color.
Like a similar fruits taste?
It's a fruit only, kind of a fruit only. Grapes, black grapes. It looks like the black grape only, but from inside it's purplish. And it's very खट्टा मीठा.
Nice.
अच्छा, तू तेरे लैंग्वेज में कुछ बोल सकता है तश्विन?
कौन सा लैंग्वेज में?
तेरा लैंग्वेज कौन सा है?
हिंदी.
हिंदी तो है ही, बट तेरी साउथ इंडियन लैंग्वेज कौन सा आता है तेरे को?
तुलु.
तुलु आती है? अच्छा, तुलु सिखाना हमको.
इरेंचलर.
हाँ क्या?
हाँ. इंचलर.
इंचोला.
मतलब?
आप कैसे हो?
तो मुझे क्या बोलना पड़ता है?
इरेंचलर.
मैं बोलूंगा अभी मैं ठीक हूँ. इसको क्या बोलता है तुलु में? आई एम गुड.
आई एम गुड
इन तुलु.
मैं ठीक हूँ.
हिंदी है भाई.
हिंदी में बोला मेरे भाई.
हिंदी आता सिर्फ.
हिंदी सब आता है. अच्छा, उसको कुछ तुलु में सिखा ना कुछ तो.
हाँ.
मेरे को तुझे थोड़ा याद है.
थोड़ा सिखा. थोड़ा बेसिक सिखा. बेसिक.
नहीं, मैं हिंदी में.
अच्छा, ये तो सीखा. हाउ आर यू डूइंग उसको तुलु में बोल.
How are you doing?
इन तुल्लू.
तुलु नो.
तूने अब भी बोला ना.
थोड़ा ही याद.
हाँ वही बोल. उतना ही बोल. Ira inchelela. क्या?
इंचलला
Ah, inchilera.
Ira?
Inchilera. Like that.
You get that accent really well. How?
It sounds like a illa in Kannada. Inchilera.
What?
Sounds like that.
So you
Illa.
know Kannada also.
Ah, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
Where did you learn all of this?
When I went to Bangalore, whenever I'm staying in Bangalore, I move with local guy
Huh.
who speaks Japanese very well.
Uh-huh.
His name is Hitesh,
Okay.
my best friend. So he teach me Kannada. I teach him Japanese.
Okay. Oh wow, that's a good barter collaboration you're doing. So you understood how much time did it take for you to understand Kannada?
It was very little bit
Acha.
greeting,
Basic.
just like 1 month.
Got it. Say something in Kannada.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕೋಕಿ ನಾನು ಜಪಾನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನನಗೆ ಬಂಗಾರೂರಿಗೆ ಅಂದೋಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರು ಯಾವುದು ಕೂತುಕೋ ಮಚ್ಚ
What?
ನೀರು ಕೊಡು ಮಚ್ಚ
What is this? ये तो बहुत सीखा तुमने यार. इस बोल क्या समझा नहीं कुछ.
इस तरह का ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕೋಕಿ ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೋಕಿ मेरा नाम कोकी है मैं जापान से हूँ ನಾನು ಜಪಾನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ इस तरह का आई एम फ्रॉम जापान आई केम फ्रॉम जापान
Wow.
निम्मा
But
उर्दू
आप
याद है?
मुंबई में हो. मराठी में बोल.
मराठी में
वरना आजकल
मराठी
क्या
में
हो
बोल.
रहा है पता है ना आपको?
बस तो नहीं है but it's happened man I also have a many experience
अच्छा, you have experienced. What have you
no
experienced?
not like that much experience but obviously it is what it is if you come to Japan I will try to teach you Japanese if I'm coming to India I need to learn Indian language if I'm in Mumbai of course you need to teach me Marathi I love to learn otherwise why I'm coming to from Japan to India
So you actually are looking from a perspective कि अगर मैं मुंबई आ रहा हूँ, if I'm coming to Mumbai, I need to understand Marathi so that I can communicate well. That's what
like
you're saying.
we need to try
We need to
at
try.
least.
We need to at least ask that please teach us something.
Otherwise, why are you coming? If you don't want to from local people, right?
A lot of politicians are happy right now.
Jai Maharashtra!
जय महाराष्ट्र
Maharashtra. Acha, okay. Do you know any Tamil song? South Indian song? Any? Teach. कैसे किया?
पुष्पा 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 राज
Raj!
पुष्पा 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 पुष्पा
राज!
राज पुष्पा 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 राज
Raj!
ये इसमें क्या था साउथ इंडियन?
ये सबसे फेमस वाला bro.
अरे पता है बट कुछ बोला ही नहीं. आगे क्या है? इतना ही है.
मुझे इतना ही है
इतना है.
पुच्चा 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 झुकेगा नहीं साला
Do it together, both of you.
मैं झुकेगा नहीं साला
क्या बोला समझा?
No.
Teach him क्या बोला? मैं झुकेगा नहीं साला, ऐसे सिखाओ उसको.
मैं
ये झुकेगा नहीं
साला
सालाप.
What's the meaning? Tell him. Meaning क्या है इसका?
क्या मालूम
मैं झुकेगा नहीं साला means I won't. Stop. You
I will
cannot
not
stop me.
Oh ho ho ho.
Yeah, that is what. This is from Pushpa movie.
Yeah.
तुमने साउथ इंडियन मूवी देखी है?
साउथ इंडियन
देखी है ना? पुष्पा भी साउथ इंडियन ही है ना?
हाँ एक भेड़िया पिक्चर
भेड़िया कौन सी साउथ इंडियन है भाई?
अरे भेड़िया में एक पिक्चर है
वो वरुण धवन की है.
उल्फ बनता है
हाँ वो वरुण धवन का है.
रात को एक दिन है करके बन गया था
अगर कोकी
चड्डी में ही बन गया था सीधा
I love his
कपड़ा
gesture,
निकल
man.
कपड़ा नहीं है उसके ऊपर सीधा बन गया उसको पूछ भी आया लड़का ही था सच्ची लड़का पहले उसका पप्पा अरे उसका एक लड़की थी वो डॉक्टर थी उसके उसका उसको पहले पप्पा बना उसके बाद वो लड़की बनी उसके लास्ट में वो लड़का बना
हाँ
तो तीनों हो गया ना भेड़िया
सही बात है. तो
और एक पिक्चर में वो आ गया
हाँ
वो पिक्चर का नाम है स्त्री टू।
स्त्री 2। हाँ
उसमें एक भूत है,
हाँ है।
उसको ऐसे एक वो भेड़िया लड़का है ना, वो ऐसे दांत सेम है उसका दांत करके उसको
क्या नाम है उसका? कटेला ना, क्या होता है वो?
भेड़िया।
नहीं उसमें सरकटा, कटेला, सरकटा।
वो भेड़िया है।
सरकटा अलग होता है, भेड़िया अलग होता है। अच्छा उसको कुछ नहीं समझ रहा है। We are talking about Bollywood movies. Do you like Bollywood movies?
Not really. I just watch.
पहले
Yeah,
किसती
all
है
is well.
स्टोरीज,
That's one.
पहले वीडियो स्टोरी चलते रहते हैं।
अच्छा। So which
उसके
Bollywood?
बाद उसके बाद है ना
तेरा फेवरेट बॉलीवुड फिल्म कौन सा है?
पिक्चर
हाँ
भेड़िया
भेड़िया।
और हनुमान पिक्चर। वो हनुमान बन जाता है, उठता है, उसका आँख करके वो हनुमान कैसे उसका दगा है ना, ऐसा
दगा नहीं गदा।
गदा है ना, उसका बर्फ का अंदर रहता है।
बर्फ का नहीं होता है वो।
ऐसे बर्फ में ऐसे निकाल के ऐसे रखता है।
बर्फ के अंदर से निकालता है।
क्यों ऐसे
अच्छा,
कवर लगता है?
तो गर्मी लगता है ना इसके लिए।
वो गर्मी रहता है
हाँ
उसको।
घर में नहीं, गर्मी होता है ना, गर्मी।
उसको गर्मी ना अच्छे नहीं लगता है।
हाँ गर्मी में कैसे उड़ेगा वो?
ठंडे में उठता है।
हाँ। आपका फेवरेट बॉलीवुड फिल्म कौन सा है?
I think I watched 3 Idiots,
3 Idiots, of course.
but I didn't watch much Bollywood movie.
So we were talking about food also, Japanese food versus Indian food. दोनों में सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस क्या लगा आपको? What is the biggest difference?
We don't use masala, man. We use soy sauce.
You use soy sauce and we use masala, the red chili powder also. So that is one difference. Any other difference that you see?
Any other difference? It's totally different, na? We don't eat chapati, but we eat noodle. It's more like a Chinese, Korean thing,
Got
East
it.
Asia thing. And I think in Japan we use soup. We eat as a soup many times. many
Everything
dish.
is soupy.
Not everything, but many dish which is soup dish. But in India, I notice not much soup dish.
Right.
Maybe
It's sukha,
dal
sukha.
can be soup. but
Apart
it's
from dal, everything is like sukha. Is that what you're saying? Otherwise, gravy we also have. But do you like eating tikha in India?
spicy food.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so. After I came to India, if I'm eating non-spicy food, I feel like I'm not satisfied, man, in my mouth.
Oh.
I want something.
Because
Because if we eat spicy food, after eat also, it will kick you in your mouth.
oh,
Right?
yeah,
It's the
yeah,
point,
yeah.
I think.
Yeah,
After
yeah,
eating also, it's enjoy. Like
Yeah.
feeling something.
Right,
But
right.
if I'm not eating non-spicy food, I feel like I'm not satisfied.
What are your 3 recommendations that everyone should try in India?
Recommendation meaning?
Eating places,
Eating places in India.
restaurants. That's your topic because Koki reviews so many restaurants.
Yes. Have you been Maharaja Bhog by
Maharaja Bhog.
Tashwin?
Maharaja Bhog is your first.
Obviously.
Second?
Second in India.
साई को छोटा बच्चे सीनियर केजी में हो, वो मेरे सेम ही क्लास में है, सेम ही क्लास।
I don't understand what he say, but it looks like a very funny right now.
So basically, 2 parallel stories are running. I'm asking you something about
Okay.
restaurants. He's talking about movies.
Oh.
He's remembering every movie. Another movie. Sai.
साई को बनना है, शिवांश, उसका ना दोनों नाम उसका साई और शिवांश।
अच्छा मुंबई में सबसे अच्छा खाना कहाँ मिलता है?
मुंबई में
रेस्टोरेंट, होटल? सबसे बड़ा होटल, बढ़िया होटल कौन सा है मुंबई में?
अरे बच्चा के लिए घर का खाना है ना? हाँ, I think so. You love your homemade food or most, right? So, you love your homemade food or outside food?
Only homemade food.
Appreciate old mom,
I
bro.
ate hotel.
Appreciate old mom,
Yeah,
old papa.
exactly. So, second one.
Second one, in Bangalore, I used to stay in BTM area. So there, I forgot the restaurant name, but it's really tasty. Something like a Jai Shuri Saga or something.
Okay.
Pure veg restaurant.
Okay.
And you'll get the best masala dosa, idli vada, mushroom Manchurian.
Wow. You did not like Rameshwaram?
Rameshwaram is South Indian restaurant.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I've been. Of course, I love.
CTR, KTR, then और क्या है? CTR है. But Bene dosa you might have eaten, no?
It's viral, na?
The viral Bene dosa.
Yeah.
So that is second one. Third recommendation.
But Japanese restaurant in India also I feel like are very satisfied for me.
It's good.
Yeah. It's
Japanese
not
food
real,
is-
real authentic, but at least I'm eating similar
Okay,
food.
okay. So which is the best restaurant you found?
Kuraku. It's like organized my friend
Got it.
like
Kuraku.
Kuraku.
Where is this?
It's in
Bangalore?
Chennai,
Chennai.
of course Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, and I guess Sri Lanka.
ओके सो एज हम फूड के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं मेरे दिमाग में एक गेम है सो बेसिकली आई विल प्ले अ गेम कॉल्ड एज यक
Yuck.
और यप
Yup.
so this is where the yuck will be this is where the yup will be and you guys will have to test 3 dishes okay and it's like South India versus Japanese food. So are you ready for your first dish?
Yes, sir.
So we thought like we'll bring one South Indian dish and one a Japanese dish. If you like it, you'll put it in yuck. If you did not like it, you'll put it in yup. If you liked it, you put it in yup. Sorry. हाँ yup.
मेरे को
green-
मालूम था ये रेड वाला रॉन्ग है ग्रीन वाला बहुत अच्छा है
Wrong मतलब खराब. So first we start with chips, the snacks, and of course when it comes to South Indian snacks, the most used one, the most eaten is what? ये क्या है?
चिप्स
कौन सा?
बनाना
Banana chips.
Banana chips.
आपने try किया?
Yeah, many times.
Of course. And this is Japanese snack which is called as
मैं
jackpot.
जापानीज नहीं खाया मैं
हाँ, it's fiery and crunchy snack from Japan.
क्रंचीज
So we'll try both of you और आपको डिसाइड करना है साउथ इंडिया वाला जीतेगा या फिर जापान वाला जीतेगा.
Honest review, right?
हाँ?
Honest review, right?
ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू एकदम क्योंकि आप तो रिव्यू ही करते हो तो आपका फीडबैक तो एकदम इम्पोर्टेंट है.
मैं बोलेगा
ठीक है? थैंक यू. मैं भी खा लूंगा.
Thank you.
पहले यू ट्राई. तो पहले यू ट्राई.
Okay.
ओके यू ट्राई. यू कैन होल्ड द पैकेट.
いただきます。
So. I guess. Okay. This is banana chips. One of the most savory and eaten breakfast, lunch, dinner, chakana item ever.
Hey.
Yeah, so everyone
Peep,
eats
peep.
this. अच्छा नहीं है?
अरे इधर अटकते हैं दांत है
Sticky na?
अटकता है वो तो है. But yeah, that is banana chips for you because इसमें actual banana का ये होता है ना तो banana को अगर आप उसको कड़क करोगे ये कैसे बनाते हैं? You know how people make this?
No.
So
हल्दी
basically
में डालते हैं.
it's actually banana with the batter and the banana with the batter they are fried, deep fried.
Hey.
So this is deep fried banana.
Unhealthy.
Yeah?
Unhealthy na?
that is healthy
Next is jackpot. You want to try? Try. Give it to him.
Eat, go.
स्पाइसी है
स्पाइसी है
Is it too
बाप रे
spicy
बाप।
for you?
मजा आएगी
बाप रे बाप।
फायर कर लेगा सब घर को
तो ये ले ले
अरे कैसा खाऊं
अच्छा now both of you whatever you have liked इन दोनों में से either if you like it yuck if you don't like it yuck so start with Koki both of you decide कौन सा yuck में जाएगा कौन सा yuck में जाएगा both of you decide कौन सा खराब है कौन सा अच्छा है
No, no, this was the.
वो तीखा
This was yeah. No, banana
तीखा तो
banana chips. Super smart marketing, bro.
Super
it
smart.
looks like a super healthy. But
Exactly.
actually, it's like a unhealthy.
but you didn't like it
No, no, no. A taste.
taste wise
Taste. But I feel like this is obviously unhealthy, right? But this is like
this is healthier right
But this also deep fry, man. So it should be look like a unhealthy food.
so according to you this should be a yuck
Yeah.
and this should be
It was tasty.
it was tasty so it's here are you happy with this decision नहीं तो आपके हिसाब से बनाना इज बेटर देन दिस है ना
हेल्दी हो
हेल्दी ऐसे बोलो
See, this is super nice marketing. It's not healthy. Yeah, healthy nahi hai. But we think by view looks like healthy.
See the thing is if you compare it to the chips that are made Lay's and everything this is much healthier because this is made from
Potato
actual
chips.
fruit at least
But the chips is all from arrow, no?
but the flavoring and everything is much more fabricated you know
Acha, chemical flavor and natural flavor.
yeah this is much more see if you see the nutrients here only 3 which is yellow banana coconut oil and salt
Oh, you say butter, bro. Coconut oil and butter. What difference hai? But coconut oil, it's nice. Then
so it's made in coconut oil like
Okay.
not normal oil
it's healthy, no?
so it's healthier it's healthier we can't say it's healthy but it's healthier than other snacks
Ha.
that's why this company came up called as kaun sa wo banana chips wala company beyond snacks this
Oh,
company
yeah.
came and they literally sold in crores by actually packaging this like this and they launched in 3 different versions the peri peri one the cheesy one and then the masala one and the normal one it sold like babies but तेरे लिए banana chips is winner
मेरे को वही अच्छा लगता है बाबा थोड़ा थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है
तो मैं भी डिसीजन लेता हूँ मैं मेरे हिसाब से this is winner which means 2-1
Oh ho ho.
so round 1 India wins
विनर
कोई round
इज
हो,
इंडिया विनर इज इंडिया
Are, be honest, bro. It's tasty, na. It's super tasty, bro.
it's very nice wow
मूल जल जाएगा
it's very nice
But I don't think this is Japanese. This little Indian fusion spicy. This much spicy food.
authentically
Yeah.
छिने
This is
दिख
very,
रहे
very
इसमें
spicy.
this is manufactured in Nepal
See,
which is in Japan only
गिव वन गिव वन
what do you think about Indian breakfast Indian snacking habit and Japanese snacking habit
snacking habit. I don't know Indian snacking habit. What do you mean?
like for example the snacks that we eat जैसे ये हो गया उसके अलावा हम snacks में क्या खाते हैं और भुजिया is what we eat. You like भुजिया
ऑफिशियल बाबा मेरा दिमाग
फाफड़ा
Fafuda, I don't know.
have you tried फाफड़ा जलेबी
Jalebi?
Yeah.
Jalebi, I know.
so in Gujarat Fafda jalebi is a thing where fafda, which is the savory one, salted one,
पकड़ लिया।
and jalebi, they both are mixed and eaten together every morning.
Hey. It's but jalebi very sweet, no?
It's very sweet. तूने wasabi खाया है? Oh.
Oh.
I've tried the raw one and it
Oh.
reached here.
Yeah. It's
Oh my god, wasabi is so freaking spicy.
yeah.
Okay, round 2. Let's
Next
try the
one.
next dish.
Next one.
Do you want to guess what might be the second dish?
No.
I think some sweet.
Sweet is for the last.
Oh.
Last. Spicy.
Spicy.
मैंने खाने वाला
Second round is sushi versus idli.
Interesting.
So
Ashwin
Ashwin is so happy.
is dancing.
So as you can see, this is of course the patent, the most beautiful discovery by Japan that we all adore. Sushi. And idli, the most amazingly beautifully crafted discovery by South India, which is idli.
South India.
So are we ready?
Yes.
चलो try करते हैं. You first have a bite.
मेरा एक हो गया. एक ही खाते.
So we need to put things soy sauce.
हाँ ऐसे सोया सॉस डालना है.
नीचे खाते हैं.
हाँ खा. Try.
खा के एक ऊपर का हो गया.
क्या?
यार पीस है ना. खा के हो गया.
अरे नहीं वो दूसरा है. खा के तो देख पूरा खाना है.
अच्छा लगता है तो.
अरे हेल्दी है, बहुत अच्छा है, पक्का.
मैंने फिर खाना. स्पाइसी रहेगा ना क्या?
मैं थोड़ा खिलाता हूँ. इधर आ जा, जल्दी आ जा इधर. अरे मैं खिलाता हूँ ना, आ जा.
स्पाइसी है.
नहीं है स्पाइसी है.
No.
नो स्पाइसी. पक्का.
No spicy.
हाँ.
राइस के साथ खाना है क्या?
यस. नीचे गिर रहा है, उससे पकड़, दूसरे हाथ से पकड़. हाँ अभी खा ले.
मैं ऐसा कभी ना खाया.
नहीं, ये इसको सुशी बोलता है.
ये आराम है.
कैसा है? He's like, this is much better. Tell us about sushi.
Sushi.
Your love for sushi.
Yeah, but if I'm to be honest, this is not sushi, right? And it's in Japan we don't call this sushi, man. But sushi should be nigiri style, rice and fish. Like they cut fish, rice, make it like this way,
Yeah.
then put.
Right.
Then
It's layers.
आराम
and
नहीं
fresh
भी.
fish. Only fresh fish we can eat as raw, right?
Got it. But where have you found the best sushi in Mumbai?
No, man.
Nowhere? What are you saying? Nowhere. Why?
I don't know. Nobody try. Maybe I need to try.
Kurakume you did not get?
He's my friend, so I can't say bad thing, but it's not real sushi. We can't get in India. I feel like that.
Got it. Super. You want to try idli?
Huh.
Let's go. Take a bite.
Thank you. Like this.
Let's go, idli time. So this is from one of my favorite restaurants, KTR. पानी देना. I love it. What do you think?
Chutney के साथ it will be better. Very
चटनी
tasty.
दो भाई, चटनी दो. Try.
Thank you.
अश्विन अच्छा नहीं लगा था अश्विन?
ये दोनों अच्छे नहीं लगे.
दोनों भी अच्छे नहीं लगे. तो आपके हिसाब से दोनों भी यक में.
Yuck.
What do you think?
I love idili, but this sushi, no. Please come to Japan to eat real sushi in Japan.
So where will you take us if we come to Japan and if you want to eat great sushi? Where should we go?
My hometown, it's called Kanazawa City in Ishikawa Prefecture. It's seaside.
Beautiful.
So it's for best fish.
And this is completely raw.
Yeah, completely raw.
Beautiful. So I think in this sense, idli wins as of now because this is a better idli than this being not a good sushi. But of course, there are better sushis that you can taste.
ये इडली अच्छा था.
इडली अच्छा था ना?
Sorry, इडली अच्छा.
इडली अच्छा था. Okay, तो इसमें भी इडली जीत गया है सर. So sorry, India is winning. Thank you so much for coming. you can go back to Japan. Okay, are we ready for the last dish?
Sweet.
Sweet.
लेगा तो कुछ अजीब ही लेगा. जापान लोग का कि इंडिया लोग का?
इंडिया ये जापान से लेके आए ये. स्वीट में क्या है? अरे ड्रिंक. We do not have a dessert.
Soda?
Dessert नहीं है. नहीं.
Sprite,
नहीं.
Coca-Cola.
जापान में which drink do you think it should be?
Matcha.
Oh my.
Matcha.
Okay.
क्या matcha? Matcha पियोगे matcha?
Okay. So round 3. Should we go to his next restaurant visit with him? तो ये क्या करता है पता है? पैसे कमाने के लिए.
क्या?
ये हर एक रेस्टोरेंट में जाता है.
हाँ.
उनका खाना खाता है फ्री में.
हाँ.
और उसको रेटिंग देता है.
किसको?
खाने को.
हाँ, रेटिंग देने बाद उसका पैसा मिलता
हाँ.
है. ऐसा कैसा पॉसिबल है? हमारे पास पैसा है, इनके पास पैसा नहीं है. सुशी. नारियल.
Should be. It has to be matcha versus the legendary coconut water. Because come on, who are we kidding? Okay, इसके लिए ये तो दे दो भाई. Straw. अच्छा, give me some knowledge on matcha. Matcha इंडिया में इतना अभी क्यों फैल रहा है? Why is it getting so viral in India right now?
Because in India, Japan thing is getting viral, not only in India, everywhere. It was Korean pop, like a K-pop was trending.
Right.
Now Japan tourism, Japan product also trending.
Right.
And matcha is very healthy, and it's like a dark type of green tea.
Right.
So if you're taking this much matcha, maybe it means you are taking this much green tea. So it's like a very healthy for your skin and anti-aging.
Right.
Yeah.
And also it is a term to be very helpful for anti-aging, which might be a good thing also.
Yeah.
Right? But a lot of girlies don't want to age right now. You know, people call matcha girlies. What do you think about it?
Matcha girls.
Matcha girlies.
Or like who is visiting cafe and
Girls who go to cafe, who drink matcha. What do you feel about that?
Matcha.
What do I feel? It's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah.
So इसको matcha बोलते हैं. कोकी जी ये कैसे बनता है?
ये strong green tea है.
Green tea.
Green tea but strong वाली.
Strong बनता है.
Strong बनता है और वो थोड़ा दूध के साथ बनता है ये. So a kid trying matcha for the first time. अच्छा है. Did you actually like matcha? You also try?
Yeah, sure.
I think I did not expect a South Indian kid to like matcha in the first attempt.
Yeah.
Yeah, he liked it.
No, it's not matcha, bro. What is this?
This is matcha.
It's lassi, no? What is this?
Oh, this is yogurt matcha.
Oh, yogurt matcha. No, don't eat matcha with yogurt, man. Why you are eating matcha with yogurt?
That's what I was thinking.
Oh, I thought it's like a matcha latte, milk के साथ.
येलो दिख रहा था. Sorry, white दिख रहा था.
Try now.
Okay. You first try.
No, you try. I trust me. You try. अच्छा, smart, smart.
कैसा है? Better or it's become better?
चाय जैसा हो रहा है.
What?
It's like chai, he's saying.
Oh. But I ate yogurt with matcha for the first time in my life. It's very surprised.
क्या हो गया? अच्छा नहीं लगा?
उल्टी आने जैसे लग रहा है. इसका matcha का.
He's feeling pukish
Pukish?
because of matcha.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh.
पहले मिक्स नहीं किया था वो अच्छा था उसमें उल्टी नहीं आते
Exactly. Matcha that is not mixed is drinkable.
Yeah, only matcha, very bitter.
But मुंबई में कहाँ आपने बेस्ट matcha पिया है अभी तक?
Matcha, I think Grey Soul
नारियल का भी
Cafe in
पिएंगे
Bandra.
In Bandra where?
Grey Soul Cafe or
Grey
some-
Soul?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you tried Bougie? Bougie Cafe is also good.
Not yet.
And then there is something called as Mokai.
Mokai. Yeah, I saw, the pink color one. Right?
Oh yeah, Mokai is beautiful.
Hey.
You should definitely try.
Hey.
Amazing. Different types of matcha you get. Blueberry matcha, mango matcha, like 7 and different versions, and they have created a manual, a complete manual for it.
Oh.
So that's about it. But are we ready for the OG drink?
Yes.
yeah
But the twist here is we are not going to use straw. We drink it the Bangalorean way. Koki, you tell us.
I don't know, man. Just drink like this.
Yeah, just put your entire mouth and then you do this.
And
Yeah.
I put
Yeah. आराम से. Coconut water.
मुझे नहीं होएगा
अरे try कर.
अरे कैसे ट्राई करूँ
Okay.
Waha.
Try. आहा.
मेरे को उसका सुशी के टेस्ट आ रहा है इसमें
अरे वो straw है ना इसके लिए. So who wins, guys, in matcha and coconut water?
कोकोनट too.
Agree.
Coconut water,
Yeah.
you think? Because I feel this is much more cheap.
Cheap.
This is at 70 rupees.
Yeah.
Exactly. This is 300 rupees minimum. And more antioxidants, refreshing, enchanting, recharging from inside. And also you can eat malai also from inside.
Beautiful.
So for me, coconut water always wins. So coconut water is in Yup.
तो आप लोग पता है ये कितना मिलता है इन जापान?
ये मिलता है बहुत coconut water.
First of all नहीं मिलता. But we can get as import water, right? But it's I've never tried to buy, but it seems like a 300 to 500 yen. It's like a 180 rupee to 350 around like that.
Got it. That's nice. But I think like this is much better option, and I think my mom tells me to everyday drink coconut water. It changes your lifestyle completely. So to all the Japanese and Indians watching me, coconut water over matcha anytime. Amazing.
cut out.
Right now, what are your plans of being in India?
I'm planning to open my Japanese restaurant, but
Woo!
not right now because
Okay.
I need capital money.
Okay.
So right now, what I'm doing is like I'm applying my company.
सॉन्ग मालूम है मुझे
What is it?
जापानीज का सॉन्ग आता है मुझे
Ade?
What?
गिंगैंग गोली 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 बच्चा गिंगैंगो गिंगैंगो
गोरी 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 बच्चा कौन सा सॉन्ग है ये एनिमे का सॉन्ग है
ये कौन सा सॉन्ग है?
गिंगैंग गोली गोली चू
Ging Gang Goli Goli Choo. It's a Japanese song. I think he's trying to make fun of. You tell us, you teach us some Japanese song.
And I told you one song na
Which one?
Doraemon song
अरे
अन्ना को
Doraemon-
तो ही ना
I
देखी
don't know song,
तरह
we know something else.
Japanese
Let's
song
not be cliche. Let's go with something deeper, something that people don't know about.
So my girlfriend like this song. It's called Sakura, which means cherry blossom.
Okay.
So Sakura is only coming in the spring,
Okay.
which means graduate time. So we need to separate with classmate, with teacher, by to school. So that is like that song, graduating and new meeting.
How is it? Can you sing a little?
桜桜今咲き誇る切なに散りゆく眺めとして
Ah! Yeah, Sonu Nigam. He sounds like Sonu Nigam, no? A.R. Rahman? Sonu Nigam. He
Sonu
thinks
Nigam.
you are like Sonu Nigam.
What's that? Sonika.
He's a very famous
चाइना
Indian
का
singer.
जैसा सॉन्ग है ना
Hey.
कौन सा?
चाइना का जैसा
चाइना जैसा?
चाइना चाइना
चाइना तेरे को क्या मालूम है चाइना के बारे में? What do you know about China?
चाइना में कैसा बोलते नहीं मालूम कचुआ अरे वाह ऐसे बोलते रहता है ना रोज ऐसे बोलते रहते उन लोग हम लोग इंडिया जैसा बात नहीं रहता है उन लोग के पास सिर्फ चाइना के जैसे बात कर रहते हैं गंदा लगता है करते तो
In Japan, how do you greet someone?
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
कचुआ
Konnichiwa.
कुंचिवा
Konnichiwa.
कोनिचिवा
Say
Yes.
Konnichiwa.
कुंचिवा
Very good.
Very good. And South India में कैसे greet करते हैं?
कुंचिवा
South India में
वेलकम
Vanakkam.
वेलकम
Vanakkam.
वेलकम
Vanakkam.
वेलकम
अच्छा अगर if you are suppose you are in India and you have given only 10,000 rupees to spend the entire month, in which city of India will you stay
Ho ho.
and what would you do?
Very nice question, man. Very nice question. I feel like I don't need to spend the money also, right?
Yeah.
10,000 will be what I can do. I'll go to Vipassana meditation again.
Oh, okay, you go to Vipassana.
Yeah, मैं
Okay.
घूमने गया था बुद्ध गया में.
Okay.
It's in Bihar.
Okay.
So when I came to India, it was also one of my bucket list what I want to do in India. So Vipassana meditation is like how Buddha got enlightenment. That is like a same meditation style is called Vipassana meditation. So they are like it's running by all volunteer for free
Right.
by heart.
Right.
So we also don't need to pay. Maybe if you feel something good, donation. So maybe I'll put 10,000 donation and I'll just 10 days, 10 hours every day, 10 days continue. But I want to go.
Beautiful, man. That's a really good idea. How was your first experience of Vipassana?
Craziest experience in my life, brother. Because how you can do meditation 10 hours, 10 days.
Yeah.
It was, and you can't see people's eye contact. You can't open your mouth and speak something. You can't write anything. You can't bring your phone. Just meditation, like 1 hour, then 10 minutes, 1 hour and a half, then 10 minutes, then 2 hours, then eat. Then after 30 minutes rest, again 1 hour, something like that. So it was like, obviously I couldn't get enlightenment, but I got to know one thing, this world is made by love. It's obviously, it's very simple, but I really understand this meaning deeply.
So did you, was it an experience that taught you inner peace?
Inner peace,
Yeah.
like,
Was this experience something that gave you inner peace? Peace from inside?
yeah.
Did you feel that? Yeah.
Because when I was doing meditation, obviously I closed my eyes, but I cried.
Wow.
Yeah. That time I was thinking about my mom.
Beautiful. Do you miss your mom?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you meet her once a year, which is
Yeah, right now.
unimaginable for me.
Okay.
I don't think if I have to spend a month away from my mom, I will be able to operate this way. But it's beautiful that you did it, and that to go into such an intensive and extensive approach of Vipassana. So hats off to you, man. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
14 days she
10 days.
10 days he did meditation.
10 घंटे एवरीडे 10 दिन में 10 घंटे एवरीडे मेडिटेशन
करेगा तू
कौन सा
मेडिटेशन?
मेडिटेशन
मतलब ऐसे
करेगा ऐसे
हर रोज
10 घंटा रोज?
10 घंटा
not continuously take rest
in phases.
but total 10 hours.
Beautiful. What is one memory from Japan that always stayed with you?
Japan
One memory from Japan that always stays with you, जो हाँ तुम्हारे साथ हमेशा रहती है.
my memory
Yeah.
Right now I'm kind of entrepreneur. I have my company in Japan. But before, what I was doing, I was working as crane operator, construction area. Every day, different area. Today, let's say Andeli West, this location, Locomara,
Wow.
A block. I need to go, wake up 5:30 a.m., working till 7 p.m. Crazy, like a salaryman style, working office style, like working for company. So that's, I was working for 4 years and a half. And I really don't want to go back to that life. I really. So this is like a makes me, kicking my ass. Go hard more like I do it.
Encourages you. So you have a fear of not going back to your old life,
Older life.
the hustle life. Yeah. And I'm sure that will happen. Like you will, I'm sure a restaurant is going to open up very soon, the Japanese restaurant.
Thank you.
And we will be there to support you and eat the food so that you will always stay out of stock. But we Indians love you. Don't we love him? We love him, right? Say we love you.
love you
Tell him we
love you
I love you too.
And tell him to not leave India.
not leave India
Stay here in India.
stay here India
India is better than Japan. Say.
India is better than Japan.
You got it?
You got it?
This was beautiful. Thank you, Koki, for doing
Thank
this
you too,
discussion
brother.
with me.
Thank you for
I
having
hope
me.
you had a good time.
Yeah.
Tashwin, मजा आया? हाँ?
Thank you, Tashwin.
Dance
Bye.
करके दिखा एक तरफ favorite step, South Indian. On that note, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please follow Koki. उसका username नीचे है. He's doing amazing work. Support him. Please follow Tashwin, him to his school. Because he's not on social media. But I feel really good. I feel very positive about this conversation, and I hope when we meet next time, you'll have more kids to hang out with, and we shall meet you in our kidding series also.
Kidding series is like a
Our new channel, the eating one.
Hey.
Yeah, do come on that episode also. We would love to have you.
Sure.
Yeah, thank you so much, Koki.
Thank
It
you.
was lovely to have you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Namaste.
Vanakkam.
Welcome.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
See you next time.
See you next time.